tuning in right now. We're tuning in on some crypto shit. Oh yeah.
The hottest crypto trade of the year is not Bitcoin, it is not Ether, it is XRP, the coin formerly known as Ripple, soaring more than 20% this year, becoming the third largest cryptocurrency out there, and there's big money behind this trade. Mackenzie Sagalis joins us now with that XRP trade and what, Mac, is driving all of this interest in XRP.
Well, what's actually been interesting is that during the doldrums of Q4, you actually saw a lot of people piling into those XRP ETFs, which is the exact opposite of what happens with the spot Bitcoin and Ether ETFs, where people really move in tandem with the price of the coin. But it was the fact that it is a way to have a higher percentage jump. So people were buying the dip with XRP in Q4, thinking this is a less crowded trade than Bitcoin or Ether. And then that proved out to be true just in the first 6 trading days of January.
We've also talked a lot about the blockchains and the ecosystems that are being built around many of these systems. We know kind of what they are with regard to Bitcoin. We certainly these days know what it is around Ethereum and Ether. What exactly is the big use case or driver? What's the practicality for XRP?
Well, with XRP and Solana, those are the two very popular altcoins right now where you're seeing a lot more interest. And with Solana, a lot of these different forms of tokenization. So we talk about tokenized dollars all the time in the context of stable coins. But now we're seeing a lot of people move into tokenizing money market funds. And Solana has become a blockchain use case for that. And XRP made its name in terms of cross-border payments.
So there you go, chat. Welcome back. It's hump day. Locking in. It's your boy Crypto Hobbs. If you're listening now or in the future, I got you guys going on live. And I got you guys here on the video. I appreciate every single one of you as always. It's your boy, and we got more news. There is big money behind this trade. CNBC says that the hottest crypto trade of 2026 is XRP. You heard it here. Thank you guys again for everything you do for me. I appreciate your support, and I appreciate you guys reaching out on what you want to hear. We're breaking out right now as far as news that the hottest topic is XRP. It's no longer Bitcoin, fam and friends. You guys lock in. It's your boy, everybody in chat. I appreciate you guys. We're going over great news right now. CNBC is not the only one that comes out and talks about what's going on with XRP and all these major news. Just to tune in real quick, am I late? I know the price has been going up, Hobbs. Talk to me. Look at that. Fear and greed is still neutral. Still at 50. What's up, Dave Walker? What's up, Easton King Bally? And what's up, Nate? Pop it like it's locking. Pop it, lock it, baby. Subscribe, like. We're talking about crypto, XRP, and major other all the cryptos are going to blow up. All of them. You're here. I got an opportunity to make money. There's no financial advice. I love everybody in chat. It's hump day, baby. It's not what you know, it's who you know. Bitcoin back down, correcting. XRP's back down a little bit. Things dipped a little bit, like 1%. The overall market cap went down. What am I doing? We're locking in. We live. We here with your boy Crypto Hobbs. Bro, you owe me 20 bucks still. What the hell? Hey, bro, lock in chat. I'll send that to you in XRP. You already know. And I appreciate you guys. You're cool as fuck too, bro. We're here spreading awareness to the community about what's going on, right? It's not about any fake news. It's not about, I'm not selling you hopium. I'm giving you facts. Like, is it going to go up? Yes. Tomorrow? No. But this year, yes. Towards November is what it's looking like when the midterm elections kind of you guys know, follow the wave of everything. My dealer don't take crypto. I need cash. I get you cash money, baby. You know what we do. I got you, brother. Don't even trip. Lock in. It's your boy Crypto Hobbs. Things are going red right now. Remember, when we see red, we see green. Maybe a little bit of opportunity for you to get back in. XRP hit $2.31. It's at $2.19. I see that as a sell price. Jay Claver on X comes out and says the old financial system is the new one that we're speaking up at this. Is the new one that are finally speaking the same language, and the XRP ledger is the translator. So remember this. They manipulated everything. The thing to help the dollar right now is crypto. Crypto is going to put us back on the map. I appreciate everybody in chat. You guys, remember this. When this Clarity Act comes through, when we're all ready to go, XRP is gonna do price actions like Ethereum and Bitcoin. Those two move because of speculation and because just of hype and because supply and demand. They are gonna make Bitcoin the digital gold. It's time for something new. So what's gonna happen to the legacy stuff like gold and silver? That's gonna go up too. Crazy stuff coming, all-time highs to a neighborhood near you. The 2026 hottest crypto talk about this year is XRP. Watch this now. 2025 was tokenization's biggest year. 2026 will be bigger. This was a 7 a.m. video of today of Securitize putting out what's to come, especially with now rules of the road being clear and made. 1 minute 47-second video. This shit is good. Lock in.
Tokenization.
Tokenization. Tokenization. Tokenization. Tokenization. You've heard this term. That's the future of finance.
What I could say is I'm bullish. It's just that we don't factor it.
If you think about what tokenization is, it's essentially upgrading the ledger where capital markets run.
Let's go, baby.
That is public,
Crypto to take over.
cryptography secured, etc., which will improve how people transact with securities.
Tokenization is like a freight train. It can't be stopped, and eventually it's going to eat the entire financial system.
We've always been using technology to do a better job for the client, and we're going to do the same thing in tokenization.
We believe the next step going forward will be the tokenization of financial assets.
Tokenization is an innovation, and we at the SEC
Come on,
should
chat,
be
lock in.
focused on how do we advance innovation in the marketplace.
Think about what that means. A complete rewiring of the financial system.
I don't know if you guys saw that, but I'm gonna retract the big. We have the stock market, the Mag 7, the Magnificent 7 at the top. We're gonna have the new top four, the new big four sectors coming to you. Stablecoins, payments, AI, and tokenization. Crypto, Ripple, XRP, they're all in on this. So we gotta remember this, chat. Lock in. It's not what you know. It's about getting into crypto right now. You're still early. The new big four sectors, stablecoins, payments, AI, and tokenization. It's your boy Crypto Hobbs on this hump day, talking about awareness of crypto, what we're gonna do, and what's to come. Today, price action got a little corrected. It's a little low, nothing too low, but focus on what's to come still. You're gonna make money, baby. It's your boy Crypto Hobbs. Everybody in chat, I love and appreciate you. Please comment anything you would like to know about crypto. I'm here to let you know. And if I don't know, we'll find out where we can find the answer for you. I love you guys. This video is all done. We're going to go ahead and continue today on what's going to happen. 2026 continues to be a breakout. Everybody on the CNBC News yesterday had major headlines on this. I'm going to play this video. Remember, everybody in chat, you live with me right now, and I'm making a video for you as well right here, which you're going to be able to go back and rewind everything we're talking about. Major crypto, start of the year, XRP. What's to come? Clarity Act. Rules of the road. What's going to happen? The floodgates will open, and these prices, best believe double digit XRP, triple digit this year. 100%. 4 digit, I don't know. 3 and double for sure. Triple, $100 XRP by the end of the year. That's a fact. Bitcoin and everything else too will move up. It will be crazy, you guys. All these meme coins that are less than a penny, everything that's less than a penny. Shout out to Crow. Shout out to Jasmine. Had a major price movement yesterday, actually of 30%. You guys, don't sleep. Jasmine is the Japan token, the Bitcoin of Japan. You know what I mean? So Jasmine actually has a great potential for any of you out there that are trying to get in. Let me see. I think I gotta spell it right. Jasmine coin number 102. Okay, so Jasmine is about to break. It used to be a top dog, so don't sleep on it. It's in 1 week, it went up 54%, you guys. That's 54%. Say you put $5,000, you would have got $2,500 in return already. I'm just saying, like, it's simple math. The returns are there and the market is moving. Everyone's bullish on it. It's all-time high, crypto fam. Crypto Chronicles, lock the fuck in because this is crazy. February 15th, 2021. 5 years ago. Okay, 5 years ago, Jasmine was $4.99. Okay? This thing is 0.008. It's not even a penny. Okay? If it goes back to even just a dollar, you're like hella pennies on the dollar, man. You can make a lot of money. And what am I saying? Is this gonna happen? Yes. Is crypto gonna blow up? Yes. For the 1 year, this thing is still down 75%. Overall, it's down 100%. So you're getting in on something that's called a sleeper, the sleepy giant. Everything with market caps that are very low still have a major outcome. Even look at fucking Dogecoin, you guys. Wake up. I ran it yesterday, I'm gonna continue to run it. Here, the overall chart shows it all. What were these spikes when that were going on? The spikes were just speculation and hype. Imagine now having rules and clarity on what Dogecoin can be used for. Hey, you can use Dogecoin now at I don't know, shop online. You can use Dogecoin now at your favorite ice cream store. People are gonna go crazy and stack this up like no tomorrow. Want to tune in on this video that the breakout for crypto trading for 2026 is continuing. It's about 3 minutes. Lock in, Crypto Chronicles family. You know, it's your boy Crypto Hobbs. And at the end of the day, it's not what you know, it's who you know, baby. And you're here with your boy. So focus up. Let's run this video, Hobbs.
The breakout trade of the 2026 crypto rally isn't Bitcoin or Ether, it is XRP. Now, the token tied to Ripple is up more than 20% over the past week, pushing past Binance's BNB coin to become the third largest cryptocurrency by market value. And even with the broader crypto complex pulling back today, XRP has been the quiet outperformer for months now. The use case here is payments, specifically cross-border settlement. Ripple designed XRP as a bridge asset. When a bank or payments provider needs to move value from dollars to yen, XRP can sit in the middle and help settle that transfer in seconds instead of days. Now, it's aimed at financial institutions and payment rails, which is a very different pitch from Bitcoin's digital gold narrative. And unlike stablecoins, which are basically tokenized dollars, XRP is trying to be the exchange layer that moves value between currencies. So money's moving into XRP for three big reasons. First, the regulatory overhang has finally cleared. Ripple has fully wrapped up its SEC fight as of August. Second, it's a less crowded trade than Bitcoin or Ether. And third, the flows have held up. Even during the Q4 dip, investors kept adding to XRP-focused funds, while Bitcoin ETF flows fell with the price.
How do you think the declines in Bitcoin and Ethereum fit into this? And specifically, these are two coins that have been wrapped up in digital asset treasury companies. And so there's this whole concern that there's going to be forced selling. So there's sort of that dynamic hanging over, just the decline in those assets in particular. And so maybe it's not surprising that investors are seeking an alternative within the crypto space.
Oh, precisely. In 9 days from now, the MSCI is going to decide whether names like Strategy can remain as part of the index. You might see other forced selling as part of that. And then you've got XRP, where there's just a lot more upside. And yes, they're coming from a lower base, but that's part of why when you saw the spot Bitcoin ETF selling off in Q4 and all these net outflows, XRP accumulation was quietly gaining momentum.
I like that.
We're reviewing a CNBC News video on how they came out yesterday. Everyone was talking about XRP. And you heard it here. XRP for payments, much better use case and needed for crypto in this world. Bitcoin is the digital gold, but XRP is the motherfucking topic of the year. Lock in, chat, thumbs up, subscribe if you're new here. If you're listening now or in the future, I fucking love you anyways. It's hump day. Fucking get it, baby. Get up and get that shit. Don't let nobody tell you what to do. Remember, everybody talking shit in chat, everybody talking shit about you, everyone talking shit about crypto is gonna fucking lose it when this shit hits the fucking fans and rips another one through this galaxy. This shit's gonna break the sound barriers. Nobody knows what's coming. It's your boy, Crypto Hobbs, and I'm fucking more locked in than Donkey Kong. I got this shit every day. I bleed crypto. I fucking dream crypto. This is what we were made for. This is what we were made to live through. And I really believe that people in chat can change their lives. I had family and friends hit me up yesterday. Had a family member buying some algo. Shout out to my cuz. You know, that shit makes me happy. People are actually looking at the numbers and doing the right moves. Algo is like 10 cents. That shit hit like $3 all time highs. My cousin's doing the right thing. Shout out to Primo. You guys, look, it's not about fucking, it's not about being selfish and gatekeeping stuff. I'm here to share the awareness, share the news. If you like it or not, I don't really care. I'm gonna keep doing me. Because at the end of the day, when the spectrum and the switch flips, I'm gonna be on the other side with the motherfucking yacht, fucking sipping on some Mai Tais in Hawaii with my girl, and we're gonna be getting massages. You know what I'm saying? It's hump day, it ain't lasagna Monday no more. I gotta get through the week, so we pushing y'all through it. Motivational topic of the day. You're the only person that can stop you is yourself. No one else. You decide what happens. You decide and control your emotions. Get up, get it. It's never too late, and never say never, baby. Because at the end of the day, someone is out there doing what you should be doing. Someone is up getting it. Someone's out there putting $1 in crypto. Like I said, some of these cryptos aren't even a penny. Your $1 can go crazy. Lock in, chat. CNBC breakout crypto trade for 2026. XRP, baby.
Narrative on XRP, but I'm questioning the timing. Like, to have banks doing cross-border payments and settlements with the blockchain, to me, still feels like quite a ways away. I mean, right now, there's a lot of talks at the Bank for International Settlements and in other multinational institutions about how do we have interoperability? How do we make this work? They haven't even figured out what the rails look like, what the rules of the road look like. Europe and the US don't agree. God knows what China wants to do. So are you buying it now knowing that?
Shut up, Karen. This lady's a Karen, man. She don't know what she's saying. Everyone is in it. You're just trying to get people, not get rich.
Again, I feel like a broken record here with my copper comment. It's going to go down and up a lot before this is not a straight line at all. I feel like it's more of a hedge against the decision coming from MSCI.
I think that's part of it. Certainly, they want to be the SWIFT of the international banking system. But at the same time, we're waiting for, to your point, rules of the road. And so
Right.
the crypto market infrastructure bill, which we've been talking about for a full year now, is still in the markup stage in the Senate. But that is what a lot of pent up demand is. Meant to come from when that is passed. It'll open up the doors to what Wall Street can do with respect to custodying these coins.
And that Wall Street's already talking in the background and custodying these coins. The volume is there, the movement is there. We are no political side, there's no financial advice. You can and will lose money. Chat, if you're joining now or in the future, listen up. Crypto trade, hottest one of the year, XRP. It's in the news, it's out. We're gonna run another video that talks about it. I don't know if I got rid of it. Should be somewhere in here. But crypto is the fucking main topic of the discussion right now. I think I did get rid of it, but I can find it really quick because guess what? I got it locked in like that. I think this is the one that we really need to hear
Of the
too.
year is not Bitcoin. Hottest crypto trade of the year is not Bitcoin. It is not Ether. It is XRP, the coin formerly known as Ripple, soaring more than 20% this year, becoming.
And I just wanted to rewind that. We already went through it. You'll see it at the beginning of the video that I'm uploading through here. We live, chat, drop a like, comment below, subscribe. It is the hottest topic of the year already, starting off. And we're barely 7 days in. This is hump day today. Remember, good things are to come. The pretty much the political group in control right now, they want us to succeed. They want crypto to rule, and they want Americans to pretty much prosper. Donald Trump says crypto was under siege, but not anymore because it's a big industry now. Let's tune in on this 19-second video. This is no financial or political side. But if the president and their team is talking about crypto, we're in on that, baby. Let's get it.
Crypto was under siege. It's not under siege anymore because it's a big industry. It's a big industry, and I have a lot of people that are great people, great business people. They're in other businesses, but they're in crypto too. And it takes a lot of the pressure off the dollar. It does a lot of good things, but crypto is under.
So we're into it, and we're locked in. It ain't going nowhere. Remember that. And look, just to go off of what the other lady said about it going up and down. Yeah, it's gonna go up and down, chat. If you can't swallow the motion of price action and fluctuation, then investing ain't for you. But I mean, investing should be for everybody, you know, because at the end of the day, who doesn't want their money to multiply? Your boy, my bad, I had a glitch out for a bit because I'm gonna show you guys the account. I'm down like $34. It ain't nothing but a G thing, baby. Scary money don't make money. Everything is down. But this is the opportunity. This is where I knew this was gonna happen. Things don't always go up, and when they do, they shoot up hard and then they build a support, right? But we gotta understand right now is the time still to get in. Right now, everyone is on the side of in the middle. The fear and greed index says it all. We're in the middle. People are not fearful but not greedy. It's neutral. So this shit is neutral right now to where it's ready to rip. I'm down like $40, but I'm not sweating it. Guess what? When payday comes back, I'm gonna drop in more. Right now, I'm looking into invest more. I have a note about so many assets, cryptos out there that are going to be used and implemented for everything that we need to stack up on them. It's your boy Crypto House. We live chat. Subscribe now or later. But this shit is going to rip. Crypto bubbles for the day look red. Everything is red. But when you see red, we see green. Dollar cost average in. But for the week overall, things are still green. Big picture shit, crypto's here to fucking stay. Big picture shit, they want to get you to not know what's coming and then it's going to happen. But honestly, on the real, these fucking people have been giving us so many hints and clues of what's coming. So don't miss the flag. The red flag is out. The green flag is out. All in on crypto, yo. Go all in on crypto. It's your boy Crypto Hobbs. You know where to find me. You guys got to understand. XRP being the hottest topic, now they know what's going on and what's cooking. I don't want to be selling you FOMO or hopium, but trust yourself, trust your gut, go do yourself a favor and buy a little. Bitcoin to rip, everything to rip. So don't be like, oh yeah, I remember when Bitcoin was 80, I could have got it. Don't be I could have, be the I did get it. Be the a guy that you bought a little, because the person that doesn't buy anything at all is the one that misses out. It's your boy Crypto House. I love and appreciate every single one of you motherfuckers in chat. You guys are fucking beautiful people. What's up, Neymar? Subscribe and like. Your new brother, don't even trip. Crypto here to stay. Very, very important news today. The hottest crypto to come out. You're going to be able to see this video actually. It's going to be uploading very soon as we speak. It's the hottest one. Fox News, CNBC, you name it. So everybody in your kitchen table is going to start talking about it. XRP is locking in to a fucking bank near you. Price action is looking red overall. Like I said, for the day, Crypto Bubbles shows us it all. It's red. But this is the time to get in, drop a little, and don't lose hope. Because at the end of the day, it's not what you know, it's who you know. Everybody in chat, lock in. We're going to make it XRP by November, double digits, triple digits. Bitcoin and everything else to move. I love you guys. We're going live tomorrow. Tune in.